whichever you are here, I'm starting a new vlog. I just ended a vlog when I went, a vlog that I made going for food shopping. So guys, it's about 1:30 now. By 2 o'clock I should be going down to pick up my kids, and I'm just feeling kind of, I just don't know. I have some turkey that I bought, and yeah, I bought this much turkey. I was thinking if I should wash them and just start working on them. I don't feel like doing anything right now. I don't feel like doing, I think it's better to just go ahead and work and just clean the chicken. Yeah, maybe I'll clean the chicken, but yeah, this is the chicken. I'm gonna make I'll make peanut soup, but I'm gonna make a big pot and then divide it and put some in the freezer. So yes, that's what I'm gonna do. But I'm gonna I'll clean the chicken and then I'll have it ready, so tomorrow when I come from work, and then I will start the soup. Yeah, so I'm gonna put away my groceries. Yeah. Guys, if you're seeing this plastic bag over here that I've tied, it's because my daughter, now her new thing is climbing. She's always like, she'll come and try to come and get juice. I have a lock for the refrigerator, and she knows how to open it now. She knows how to open the lock. Okay, so so now she's doing what her brother does. Like, she likes to climb. She'll step on here and try to open this. I don't know what she's looking for over there. Like, if she's looking for a new plate to eat in, I don't know. So I need to remember to order a different lock, not this one, because she already know how to open it. She knows how to open this. So yeah. And guys, like, I'm just sad. Like, the way I've been saving this tripod, right? It's like, this is like a nice good one, right? I don't know what happened. I pulled it out to do my vlogging, guys. This was out. This is out. Like, the part that you hook the phone or the camera is out. And I don't know who did it. I don't know who did it, because I hit it good. So I don't know how this part like came out. So I think what I'll do is, like, I'll try to get a tripod, and then I'll pull this part of that other one out, and then hook it here, hook it to the nail. So yeah, like, I really like this like iPad. I got it from Target. It's a nice one, you know. So maybe yeah, maybe I can I'm sure I can hook it. I can hook something. I can hook the part that clicks on here, because I'm not throwing it away. It's one of the kids. I know it's one of the kids that did it. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna wash my dishes and then clean my chicken and clean the turkey. Then I'll have it ready. I'll just put it away for tomorrow morning when I come from work. Guys, come on my live. I come on live every Saturday morning. I take a walk different part of New York City. So come on my live and say hi to me. Drop an emoji, okay? Thank you so much. All right, guys, I almost forgot to show you this. I got some stuff from, I got some tops from JCPenney. Guys, if you know me, JCPenney is one of my stores. I love JCPenney because for JCPenney's, you can find everything you have for your husband, the kids, and for you, the mother. So yeah, so that's why I love JCPenney, and you can always find nice prices. Okay, so they had a sale, and they had a sales for like nice cotton tops. And guys, I love cotton, nice simple cotton tops for summertime, you know, because when you have your jeans, your shorts, all you have to do is like, guys, I like to look nice and cute and comfortable. That's my style. I like to look nice, cute, and comfortable, okay? And yeah, so this is the black one that I picked. I have peach and green, pink, white, yellow, red, and green. Guys, I just love this because look at this. Simple. This one is a puff sleeves, and I love my puff sleeves. Look. So yeah. So guys, this is the black. You see how simple? Oh, I didn't take that. Yeah, this is how simple it is. I just love simple tops like this, right? This you can put it inside a dress or a shirt if the dress is light, inside your sweaters, you know, simple. Yeah, these are the tops. This is the tops that I wear when I want to go, like I'm trying to run errands. I have to go pick up the kids from somewhere or take them out or stop and go to the grocery store, go pick up something simple with your shorts for summer. This is the tops that I like to wear, you know, every day. Guys, this is the puff sleeves. Yeah, simple. Yes. Yeah, simple puff sleeve top for a skirt or your jeans. Yes, nice color for summer, right? And it runs kind of a little bit big, so that's good because when you have to think about washing and drying, you know. So yeah. Yep. Yeah guys, so the tops I got it from two brands, and it's St. John's Bay. Fix my camera. It's St. John's Bay and Anaheim. Yeah, St. John's Bay. Yeah, and then the other brand is ANA. These two brand, guys, I like this two brand, and this one called Warrington. Yeah, Warrington brand from JCPenney. I love their brand. Yeah, so these three brands are like, my daughter's here, my favorite brands from JCPenney's. All right guys, I'm gonna get ready to clean my chicken. Guys, are you one of the people that you have a dishwasher but you never use your dishwasher? You rather just and wash your stuff. Comment at the comment section. Let me know. Are you those? I just use my dishwasher to store dishes. Yeah. Guys, this is my chicken boiling in season. Steaming for my peanut soup. So yeah, that's the chicken I bought from yesterday. Yeah, and the turkey is right there. This is the turkey. I'm about to put some season on and cook and then bake it. It's all washed, ready to cook. Guys, these are my season I'm gonna be using for. I have some curry over here to season the turkey. I have my garlic, ginger, onion over here. This is the peanuts I bought from the store yesterday, but I had some left in here, so I had some left in here, so that's what I use. But this is Target brand, and it's also good, like, but you have to get it with the black lid, like, you know, this one. Looking for a good peanut butter for your peanut soup. Target have two kinds of peanut butter, right? This is not it. This one is like the one for the sandwich, creamy. But you want this one. This one is the good one. This one is perfect for peanut soup. If you want to make some peanut soup, yeah. So if you want peanut soup, if you want peanut butter for peanut soup, this is a good one. And then BJ's have one, and the lid, I think the lid is green, yeah. So if you can try that brand, and it's even cheaper, and you get a lot out of it, the one in BJ's. So yeah, but yeah, this is nice. Peanut soup. It's cooking. And I have the turkey. Oops. I have the turkey cooking here. Ooh, hot. Soup is cooking. My soup is ready. My peanut soup. Turkey is ready to be baked. Yeah, just steamed it and it's ready to bake.